This is my first impressions video of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and in my opinion, I do think the phone looks amazing.
The unboxing experience is nothing new. It's the same as any other iPhone unboxing experience. They kept it simple. They kept it Apple with the same experience. The only new thing that we get is that we do get a new USB Type-C breaded cable in the box, which is pretty high quality. But other than that, nothing impressive, nothing out of the ordinary with this iPhone unboxing.
This year we have 4 colors, which are natural, blue, white, and black, with the most popular out of all of them being the natural titanium. I bought the blue one, which a lot of people don't like, and I really don't know why. I do think it looks amazing, especially when the light is hidden. Now, when you hold this phone for the first time, the first thing that you notice is how light it is compared to previous iPhone. Because of the titanium, Apple was able to make the phones a lot lighter and a lot more comfortable to hold in your hands. I'm upgrading from an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I don't want to be the one throwing a lot of complaints here, but holding my iPhone 12 Pro Max without a case is a little bit uncomfortable. And that's a feeling that I do not get when I'm holding an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. The back of the iPhone 15 Pros is actually glass, but it's not as strong as the ones on the previous iPhones. If you look up the drop test videos for the iPhone 15 Pros, you will see that it's not doing that good. So a case for this phone is recommended if you want to be on the safer side. If you want to be even more safe, maybe Apple Care, so you don't have to spend all that money if you actually break the back glass. Another thing that will go unnoticed about this phone is the massive camera bump and the new lens with the 5x zoom. The new lens does stand out a lot. It's a lot bigger than the other ones, but it does make sense because of that new zoom. By the way, I'll be testing that out against the Pixel 7a camera, so if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This new lens is definitely one of the hypest and most interesting things about this iPhone, and I cannot wait to test it out and see what the hype is about. Other than that, this iPhone has pretty much the same design as previous iPhones. It's an Apple thing, and I can already see people saying, yeah, it looks the same, you guys buy the same iPhone every year. There is a small change on the front screen, and it's that the bezels are a little bit smaller. It is a significant change, but nothing life-changing. Oh, hold up. Last but not least, the action button, which is actually really cool. And I know Samsung has something like this in the past, and it's actually pretty useful. You are pretty much able to assign a whole bunch of different things, like turning your camera on, turning the flashlight, the magnifying glass, and a lot more. But out of all the options, the most interesting one is definitely shortcuts. As of right now, we know that shortcuts are one of the best ways to take your iPhone customization to the next level. So actually seeing what people can do with shortcuts and the action button is going to be super interesting moving forward. So if you get this iPhone, you pretty much get a new camera, smaller bezels, titanium edges, an action button, and the new A17 Bionic chip, which is supposed to allow us to play games that you can only play on console, but we'll see about that.
Now, to be completely honest, it'll actually be pretty cool to play games like Assassin's Creed or Resident Evil without the variety on my iPhone actually going away, some games that you can only play on console.
Other than that, it has the same design and it looks the same as the other iPhones. If you got this far, thanks so much for watching. If you want to see the full review, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yo, other than that, see you in another video. Peace out.